Hi, I am Madam Rosmaya. In this video, we are going to discuss on elastic and non-elastic collision. So what is elastic and non-elastic collision? Elastic collision is a collision where kinetic energy is conserved. After collision, they move off with different velocities. Non-elastic collision is a collision where kinetic energy is not conserved. After collision, they move off together with same velocities. So we are going to do analysis on elastic collision. Before collision, let's say the object A move with initial velocity A and object B move with initial velocity UB. After collision, object A will move with final velocity A and object B will move with final velocity B. From the principle of conservation of linear momentum, total momentum after equals to total momentum before. So therefore, mass of object A times final velocity plus mass of object B times velocity of the object B equals to mass of the object A times the initial velocity of object A and plus mass of object B times the initial velocity of object B. And we rearrange this expression. We put A on the right side and for B, momentum for B on the left side. And then we factor out MA bracket VA minus UA, and for the right side we factor out MB and bracket UB minus VB. So this is called equation 1. Okay, next, for elastic collision, kinetic energy is conserved. So therefore, total kinetic energy after collision equals to the total kinetic before collision. And from the equation of kinetic energy half mv squared, so total kinetic energy after collision is half mava squared plus half mbvb squared equals to total kinetic energy before collision is half maua squared plus half mbub squared. So we cancel out all the half 1 per 2, so we get MAVA squared minus MAUA squared equals to MBUB squared minus MBVB squared. So we put the A for one side and the other side for B. And then we factor out MA in bracket VA squared minus UA squared equals to factor out MB, then in bracket UB squared minus VB squared. So we rearrange or we simplify the equations. The expression become like this, and this is called equation 2. Okay, from this equation 1 and equation 2, we are going to divide them. Okay, equation 2 divided by equation 1. Okay, we can cancel MA and then MB. And then we factorize VA squared minus UA squared. So become VA plus UA times VA minus UA. So we do the same for UB squared minus VB squared. So we expand this, becomes UB plus VB times UB minus VB. Okay, then we can cancel out VA minus UA. We get VA plus UA. And then on the right side, UB minus VB can be cancelled out. So we get UB plus VB. So we rearrange this expression become VA minus VB. We bring VB to the left side, become minus. And then bring UA to the right side, become UB minus UA. Okay, this expression will become equation 3. Okay, next. We are going to multiply equation 3 by MB. So we get, for VA, we get MB VA minus, for VB, we get MB VB equals to, next, MB UB minus MB UA. So, next, the expression here becomes equation 4. Okay, next, equation 1 and equation 4, we are going to combine them. Remember just now equation 1 comes from the principle of conservation of momentum. Okay, this is equation 4 from the previous slide. Okay, the equation 1 just now, let's say we call as equation 5. So we plus equation, the both together, equation 4 plus equation 5. And MBVB minus MBVB from equation 4, so that they can be cancelled out. So the new expression becomes MAVA plus MBVA. Okay, on the right side, MAUA minus MBUA, and then MBUB. So there are 2 MBUB here from equation 5 and equation 4. So becomes plus 2 MBUB. Okay, we simplify the expression now by factoring out VA. So bracket M plus MB. On the right side, we factor out UA and bracket become MA minus MB, and then plus 2 MBUB. Okay, then we get VA equals to UA MA minus MB divided by MA plus MB, and then plus 2 MBUB divided by MA plus MB. So this is expression for velocity of object A after collision. Okay, using the similar method, we will get VB equals to UB MA minus MB per MA plus MB, and then plus 2 MA UA divided by MA plus VB. So this is the expression for VB, which is velocity of object B after collision. Okay, so we name these two equations as equation 6 and equation 7. Okay, now we are going to do further analysis on these two equations. For elastic collision, MA equals to MB. So we will substitute these values into the equation as the same values. Okay, first we do on equation 6. So now MA and MB is equals. So that means this expression becomes 0. So we get only 2 MB UB per 2 MB because MA is equals to MB. So we choose MA becomes MB. So MB plus MB is equals to 2 MB. So no matter you choose MA or MB, they are the same. So we choose MB so that we can cancel out both the above and at the bottom for 2 MB. So finally we get VA equals to UB. So this means that the final velocity of object A is equals to the initial velocity of object B. Okay, velocity of A after collision equals to the velocity of B before collision. Okay, next we will do for VB. So for VB, MA minus MV per MA plus VB. So if we substitute MA equals to MV into the equation here, so this term will equals to 0 because they are the same. Then for the MA plus MB, so we choose MA equals to we choose MB equals to MA, so that we get 2MA, which is same as the above values. So we can cancel out 2MA here, and VB equals to UA. So this means that the velocity of B after collision equals to the velocity of A before collision. Okay, now this is what we get just now by substituting MA equals to MB. So what can we conclude from this two expression? Okay, this means that A and B exchange velocity. So VA becomes UB and VB becomes UA. So let's say before equation, UA is equals to 2 meter per second and UB is equals to 0. And then after collision, VA is equals to UA. VB is equals to UA. Here, VB equals to UA. So, therefore, VB becomes 2 meter per second, whereas the VA equals to UB. So, that means initial UB is 0. So, VA becomes 0 after collisions. Okay, if you still cannot get the picture of this by substituting the values, let's look this animation. Okay, it means that A and B exchange velocity. So I repeat the explanation. So this is initial. If UB 0, this is UA. So when collision happen, after collision, the A becomes 0, and then the velocity B 2 meter per second just now given to object B. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.